everybody. Just checking in and see how doing, and hoping everybody's watching my videos and subscribing me, and if you want, it'd be great, leave comments and stuff, and just keep on subscribing and all that stuff, and yeah, basically just hanging out here. So yeah, so it's pretty much fucking, I knew it was the damn thing. Well, you want to see?
Hi.
Oh, you can't see.
It's your Brian here, guys. Here, Brian.
Give a shout out.
Shouting out to Aurora Dexter and shouting out to me. Shouting out to it's a Sunday. Bye.
There you have it. The coolest and awesome boy ever.
Hey.
Hey.
No, I'm talking to the computer. Hey.
Oh. See, he talks to me. Hey. I talk to him nicely. But if you don't get it, all you do is smack him over the head. That's what I do. All the time, just smack him. But yeah. But anyway, again, just keep on subscribing me and watch my videos. Comment if you want. You don't have to. I don't make it anybody, but yeah, pretty much.